All right, so one of the nice features on this vehicle is the magic seats. And basically, if you remove this middle seat right here, these two outboard seats can slide forward, backward, in and out, and it is much more flexible for a parent who might need to reach a child seat in the back. So, well, I think this is a really great feature. One of the things that I wanted to do is talk about how easy this actually is to remove. When I was watching videos to try and figure it out, because I couldn't do it on my own, there were only men who were in the videos releasing these seats. So, bear with me as we go through the process. So, the first thing you have to do is, one, you have to make sure that, the seat belt is contained up in the ceiling. Then you move this down. Then you pull this right here, which basically there's some latches right here that release, and you can lift this up. Now, the problem that I've been running into is there's hooks under here, and I cannot get them off of these hooks. And I'm sure there's a trick, but I haven't figured it out yet. At least not easily or comfortably. So let's try this again, because I'm going to point out this is also a little bit heavy. So I weigh about 95 pounds. I lift weights. I go to the gym. I'm a fairly fit person, but this is just a little bit awkward for somebody who is not a dude. All right, so we've got it up. Haha. Whew. All right, so then in theory, once you get it out, you would have to get out of the vehicle if it were unlocked. Ooh. Whew. All right, so once you get it out, then you have to take it out of the vehicle. Whew. I will say it's nice that this is a wide opening so that you can easily get it out. But this is a little bit heavy and a little bit awkward. Definitely a workout, not something you're going to want to do on a daily basis to put this in or out. But, I mean, the good news is once you have it out, then you can move these seats forward, backward, and around like that. So, let's see how easy it is to get that back in now that we've got it out. All right. Don't mind me as I try and figure out how this works. Okay. Moving it this way. Okay. God, if I had to guess, and I could be really wrong here, but I would have to say this is a solid 50? No, maybe not 50 pounds, maybe 30. Whew. Okay, so maybe 30 pounds. But just a little bit of an awkward lift. So not something you're going to want to do every day, but doable for somebody who is on the petite side of things if you're not lifting weights that day.